Presenting the HP Pavilion 15 12th generation Intel Core i5 16GB SDRAM/512GB SSD 15.6 in. It comes with storage, 512GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD and memory and storage, 16GB DDR4 3200 SDRAM, 2x8GB, up to 16GB DDR4 3200 SDRAM, 2x8GB. It has TÜV certified eye-safe display. It comes with battery, 3-cell, 41 NWH Li-ion, support battery fast charge. It features temporal noise reduction, your life simplified with Alexa, and audio by Bendo, dual speakers. Integrated dual array digital microphones and headphone/microphone combo, 1 AC smart pin, 1 HDMI 2.1. It also features 39.6 cm diagonal, Full HD, IPS, Micro Edge, Anti-glare. It also features networking, MediaTek Wi-Fi certified and 677,921, 2x2, and Bluetooth 5.2 combo, supporting gigabit data rate. The delivery box contains HP laptop, AC power adapter and user manuals. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.